Welcome to this video on securing your cloud files. Today we'll learn how to share documents safely by using direct email invitations instead of relying on public links, which is a crucial step in maintaining digital privacy. Let's start with a quick drill to classify sharing methods. Take a look at these scenarios and decide if they represent a direct email invitation or a public link. This will help you distinguish between secure and insecure practices. Here is the answer key for our drill. Email invites to specific addresses like, quote, anna@diped.gov.ph or direct drive invitations are secure. Conversely, links posted on social media or public chats are public links and pose a risk to your privacy. Next, let's review access level roles. Viewers can only read information. Commenters are allowed to leave notes and suggest changes. Editors have the most power, as they can modify, add, or delete content, so grant this role with care. Have you ever faced unwanted visitors in your cloud documents? If strangers are editing your group project, it's likely because of a public link. Let's look at how we can prevent this digital invasion through better sharing habits. As we see here, allowing stranger access is a common consequence of public link settings. By switching to direct email invitations, you restrict access strictly to known recipients, ensuring only your group members can interact with the file. Let's define our key terms. A direct email invitation grants access only to a specific account. A public link, however, is accessible to anyone. Restricted access and data privacy are your best tools to protect your digital files. Consider the story of Maya. When her classmate suggested a public link, she chose a safer route. By sharing via specific email addresses and assigning roles, Maya kept her team's portfolio secure from unauthorized interference. Now it's time for a comprehension check. Let's answer these 3 questions based on what we've learned about secure cloud sharing. Question 1. What shortcut posed a risk? The answer is posting a public link in an open group chat. Question 2. How did Maya share her file safely? She used direct email invitations to specific addresses. And question 3. Why was this safer? Because it restricted access strictly to authorized group members, keeping strangers out. Finally, let's look at the broader implications of security. We must analyze how our digital skills and attitudes reflect our values as responsible citizens online, ensuring we respect others' privacy while collaborating. This analysis chart highlights the knowledge, skills, attitude, and values needed for secure file sharing. From formulating flowcharts to double-checking email spelling, every step contributes to being a responsible digital citizen. To wrap up, follow this 5-step workflow. Open your file, add specific people, set their roles, keep general access restricted, and then send your notification. Stay safe and secure in the cloud. Now let's move to our interactive group application exercise. For the visual group, you will design an illustrated poster comparing the hazards of public links against the security benefits of direct email invitations. The auditory group is tasked with composing and performing a 1-minute podcast or jingle. Your goal is to clearly explain why direct email invitations are the superior method for keeping your data safe. For the kinesthetic group, you will construct and execute a live simulated Google Drive share demo. You must add 2 peer emails, assign specific roles, ensure access is restricted, and then send your invitation. To wrap up our lesson, let's review our quick assessment on securing the cloud. We have questions focusing on identifying the correct file sharing feature and understanding why direct email invitations are essential for data privacy. Let's review these 3 practical scenarios on cloud security and digital safety. Protecting your team's work starts with strict access control. Always double-check your sharing permissions before sending. Here we analyze how to correctly share confidential reports, identify flaws in public link sharing, and formulate safety policies that align with our core values. Refer to the teacher key provided for the correct solutions. Finally, for your home and computer lab task, create a file named with your name and email the link directly to your teacher. Set access to restricted, take a screenshot of your sharing settings, and submit it for review. As we wrap up today's lesson, let's reflect on this big question. How does choosing direct email invitations over public links protect our digital identity and empower us as responsible citizens of Tagbilaran City? Always remember our digital citizenship chant. Protect your links, respect private spaces, share securely in digital places. Great job today, everyone!